In this video, we'll look at how to set up SLA configurations for teams in different time zones for Jira Cloud. We will use the SLA Time and Report add-on and Jira custom fields. Let's take an example. We have teams from different countries: the USA, India, Portugal, and Australia. We need to calculate SLAs for all groups, given that they are in different time zones. What do we need to do? First, create separate calendars for each team, setting the appropriate time zones and work schedule: working days, working hours, breaks, and holidays. For us, it will be USA Los Angeles, India Kolkata, Portugal Lisbon, Australia Melbourne. Save all calendars and go to the SLA Configuration Manager. Here you can create a new one or edit the existing one. Add the configuration name for which team you set up the SLA and select the appropriate calendar. Next, select the conditions for stop, pause, stop and the SLA target and save the configuration. For general cases, this may be enough, so you can create other configurations using the same logic and then use these configurations for reports. However, let's do something more. Let's take the case of using a custom field in a ticket, where the assignee must select the location of his team. The SLA should be performed according to the time zone of the selected location. To do this, you must first create these custom fields in Jira. Please note that only users with admin privileges can do this. Go to Settings and select Issues. In the sidebar, find the Custom Fields item and select it. Create a custom field, select List Type Single Choice, and configure its options. In our example, the name will be Location, and the options will be USA, India, Portugal, and Australia. Next, associate the created field with your needed screens. After these steps, the new field should appear in projects with the corresponding screen scheme. Now, each team can select their location in the ticket. We want to get an SLA report for each of them. To do this, return to the SLA Time and Report add-on and reopen the created configurations. Add to the start condition the location for which the current one is configured. Save and do the same for each of the other configurations. That's it. From now on, you will be able to receive reports for each country separately. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest helpful videos.